How are you? Welcome back. We have this question to solve. 50 centimeter cube of carbon 2 oxide was exploded with 150 centimeter cube of air containing 20% of oxygen by volume. Which of the reactants was in excess? We have the option. In a question like this, you have to apply the knowledge of your stoichiometry. Remember, stoichiometry is an important aspect in chemistry that tells us what is the actual ratio of A that must combine with B. So, having said that, so back to the question, we have 50 centimeter cube of carbon 2 oxide exploded with 150 centimeter of cube of air. So the first thing to do is to write out the equation of reaction, a balanced one. So we have a solution. So carbon monoxide is represented by this. So plus so with air, that is O2. So then you have CO2 formed. You have gas, is gas, and this one is also gas. Then to balance, we have 2 oxygen here. So we have 3 oxygen here. So you put 2 here, we have 4 oxygen. Then you put 2 here, so we have 4 oxygen here as well. 2 carbon here, we have 2 moles of carbon here. Having done that, though, it follows that the acceptable standard, that is stoichiometrically, so 2 moles of CO, carbon monoxide, should react with 1 mole of oxygen. Now back to the question, we said we are given 150 centimeter cube of air, so containing 20% of oxygen. Remember, the active element in here that will react with CO is oxygen, and we said we are given the oxygen to be and the percentage composition of oxygen in here is 20%. Therefore, for our oxygen, so we have 20 over 100 multiplied by 150 over 1. So when you do that very well, 0 cancel here, cancel, that will be 30 centimeter cube. It means volume of O2, that is O2 gas, that is 30 centimeter cube. So based on the acceptable standard, we have 50 centimeter cube of this. So to know this one will be 50 divided by 2. So that will be 25 centimeter cube. It means 50 centimeter cube of carbon monoxide will react with 25 centimeter cube of oxygen stoichiometrically. So therefore, we will come back and tell yourself what's the volume of oxygen I was given. You are given 30 centimeter cube. So this is only the amount that will react, and therefore you subtract 25 from 30, you have 5 centimeter cube. That means this is 5 centimeter cube excess of oxygen. So, and the question is asking us to determine the reactant that will be in that is in excess, the one that is in abundance. So therefore, uh, oxygen is in abundance. So that is that. So it means that the 5 centimeter cube of oxygen will be left unreacted. So only 25 centimeter cube will participate in the reaction. So thank you very much, and see you next in our next video.